Hey, hi friend, this is Tapas and welcome to this video. So in this video we will learn a very basic function in Microsoft Excel. It is basic function but very handy and useful function. So I will show you how we can use it. So suppose you have some big data set or large data set you have, and there the like word or sentences as like the case is not in proper, like a small case is there or the upper case is there or this it is quite messed. So what you can do is you can arrange those text, you can organize those text in a proper way. Okay, so how we will do it? Suppose here I have one example. So the example, suppose here Taj Hotel, it is all are in capital only, correct? But I need the T should be only capital and here H should be capital. It should be a proper case only. Otherwise, go for the second example. Second example also same. Here it is small, then capital, then proper. Okay. Then here it is proper. It is okay. But I need it. Suppose no, it is not in proper. It is here. The C is capital. The rest everything is okay. But here it is seeing. It is entire. It is capital. It is quite a haphazard. So what we can do is we want to get this data into a proper shape. Okay, in a proper way. Suppose someone name is there. So the first name, the first letter should be capital. Then rest everything will be lower or small. Okay, then the title the same, the first letter should be capital and the next letters will be small only. Okay, lowercase only. So what, how we can fix it? So there we will use three functions for getting to get our desired data set. Okay, so suppose the first thing is upper, lower and proper. What is upper? Upper means the entire sentences, the entire words, entire sentence, entire character, entire letter will be capital only. So if I want to get it, so I will use proper. Lower, just opposite. If I want to get the entire lower data set in lowercase only, so I need to use lower. And proper means the proper, that is like suppose someone name is there, the first letter will be capital and the rest everything will be small case only. Okay, so like this way. So see, I will use the first thing is upper equal. It is very simple, straightforward. Upper tab. Now it is asking for text, which text I want to do upper. So I will refer the text, I will press enter. Okay, so before that what I can do is, see, I will do one more thing. Let me delete it. I will convert this range into a table. So it will be helpful because whenever I will put single function in a single cell, it system will take automatically for all the cells. Okay, so what I will do, I will press here, I will press Ctrl L, or manually also you can do. Okay, so I will use a shortcut here. Okay, so now it is there. Now I don't need this filter section. I will remove this. I can change the color as well. So if I want in a different color, I can use. So let me take this color. Okay, lots of colors are available, so you can play with that. So now what I will do, I will write it equal upper tab, open parenthesis will be opened, and now it is asking for the text. So I will give, it is already in uppercase as you can see anyway. So for others, see, here it is. Now this one also it is uppercase, all the letters are in capital. Okay, then candidate sing. Okay, it is also upper, it is also upper, all the all the words, all the sentences. So what will happen, all the names here, so it will be in uppercase. So see, everything, PhD also, so everything, the entire cell reference I have given. So that's why it will, the entire text will be converted into uppercase only. So same for the lower, just the opposite thing. So what I will do, equal lower tab. Now I need to refer the text. So the entire text, entire cell, entire column will be in lowercase only. Now press enter. Now see, all the words, all the words are, all the sentences, all the phrases are converted into lowercase only. Taj Hotel, then it Celia, oh no. Okay, see all the details, but this is also not perfect thing. Okay, so in your case, suppose you have some data that you want to convert into uppercase, that you convert into lowercase, that is okay. But most of the time what we do is the proper case, right? So what I will do is, now we will use proper. I will go same kind of formula, equal proper tab. Now the open parenthesis. Now I will refer the text only. I will press enter. Now let's see. Proper means the first letter is capital, then the for second word it is also the first letter will be capital, Taj Hotel. Then here it is E and S capital, rest everything is lower. Then here also C and S, this is capital, rest everything is lower. So like this way, everything for everything like this way. So this is the proper case it has given. So most of the time what we do is we use proper case only, okay? But some of the cases are there like or we use uppercase or the lower case, okay? So it is very handy, very basics, but very basic but handy function in Microsoft Excel. We can use it, okay? So here it is, the upper, lower and proper. So that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video and we will discuss any other function in Microsoft Excel. Thanks.